Hello students, I am Chelama Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we are completed homogeneous, non-homogeneous system of linear equations related problems in three unknowns. Now this is level 2 49th question. Read the question. The number of values of k for which the system of equations has no solution. No solution. What is the formula actually? A1 by A2 that is equal to B1 by B2 not equal to C1 by C2. This is the condition. So those equations in the form of like this A1x plus B1y that is equal to C1, and the second equation is in the form of like this A2x plus B2y that is equal to C2. So the system of non-homogeneous equation has no solution. Then this is the formula. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. And observe here, what is A1? K plus 1. What is A2? K. That is equal to B1, 8. B2, K plus 3 is not equal to 4k divided by 3k minus 1. First observe these two because these two terms are equal. Take cross multiplication k plus 1 into k plus 3 that is equal to 8k. 8k. Now multiply these two, k square plus 3k plus k plus 3 and minus 8k is equal to 0. 3k plus k, 4k, minus 8k, we get minus 4k or not, plus 3 is equal to 0. Now here, split into factors, k square minus 3k minus k plus 3 is equal to 0. These are the factors. Now take common k, k minus 3, minus 1 common, k minus 3 is equal to 0. K minus 1 and k minus 3 is equal to 0. Then what is k value, students? 1 comma 3. How many k values we got? 2. But don't write the answer. 2. Verify these condition. If it is not equal means that is correct. So I am going to verify those condition. 8 by k plus 3 is not equal to 4k by 3k minus 1. Which value of k the condition is exist? If k is equal to 1, substitute 8 by 1 plus 3 not equal to 4 by 3 minus 1. Students, here observe that 8 by 4 that is 2. 4 by 2, 2. 2 is not equal to 2? No. This condition is failed. That means k is equal to 1 is not correct. Take k is equal to 3. K is equal to 3. Verify. 8 by 3 plus 3 not equal to 4 into 3, 12. 3 3s are 9 minus 1. Now observe that numerator 8, denominator 6. Here 12 by 8. 12 by 8. Now this is 4, 2 4s are 2 3s are. Here 2 4s are, no, 4 2s are 4 3s are. Here observe that 4 by 3 is not equal to 3, but yes, it is true. When it is satisfied, when we are taken k is equal to 3. If k is equal to 1, we are taken means we are getting 2 is not equal to 2. This is wrong or not? 2 is equal to 2. Okay. So finally, what are the k values? What is the k value? Only 1. That is 3. Number of, they are asking only k value or number of values of k. See the question. Number of values of k. How many values? Only one now. First option correct. First option correct. These are non-homogeneous equation. Here they are given inconsistent. Inconsistent means no solution. When it is possible, rank of A is not equal to rank of AD. Both the ranks are not equal means then we will say that the system is inconsistent and no solutions. Students are first write that augmented matrix AD. AD means coefficient matrix and constant matrix. Combined we are writing 1, 1, 1, 6. 1, 2, 3, 10. Next 1, 2, lambda k. So here we need to find lambda and k values. So here do some operations. So I'm going to do R2 minus R1. R3 do here R3 minus R2. Okay. Now R1 there is no change. We have tried same like that. There is no change in first row. R2 row R2 minus R1. So R2 minus R, 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 10 minus 6, 4. This is R2 minus R1. Directly I am written, students. You also practice like that only. Next, R3 minus R2. Operate these two. Rows are operating top to bottom like this. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Here, lambda minus 3. Here, k minus 10. Students, here observe that if lambda minus 3 is equal to 0, then k minus 10 not equal to 0. Then what happened? Here I will write. 1 1 1 6 0 1 2 4 0 0. Lambda minus 3 is 0 and k minus 2 is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means take some parameter t. Here observe that these two I am taken like this. Okay, then only possible the system is inconsistent. When it is possible inconsistent, both the ranks are not equal. See, coefficient matrix, number of non-zero rows. These are two non-zero rows. What is the rank of A? Rank of A is equal to 2. When it is possible, if lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. Next, observe the rank of AD. Rank of AD. Rank of AD, that is equal to 3 when rank of A is equal to when lambda minus 3 is equal to 0. Rank of AD is 3 when k minus 10 not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, we will get rank of AD is 2. Both the ranks are equal means the system we will say that consistent, but they are given inconsistent. Both are not equal. So are you understood now? So lambda minus 3 is equal to 0, k minus 10 not equal to 0. So what is lambda value? 3. K not equal to 10. If you don't know, see the question here clearly given. Lambda is equal to k not equal to. Lambda value is 3, k value not equal to 10. Which option correct? Second option correct. Students, are you understood? Please copy this. First, we need to write augmented matrix AD. Here, more than 2 solutions. That means infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solution means rank of A is equal to rank of AD less than 3. Now write the augmented matrix 1, 1, 6, 1, 2, 3, 10. Next, 3, 2, lambda, mu. Here we need to find mu and lambda value. And one more thing here, rank of A less than 3 means either 2 or 1 now. Rank of A less than 3 means shortcut condition. Det A is equal to 0. And rank of AD also less than 3. In this case, we will say that delta Z is also 0. This is a shortcut method. Delta Z 0. So use these formula, these conditions, we get answer easily. Okay. Now coefficient matrix 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2 lambda, that is equal to 0. Now delta Z means the constant matrix right in third column. 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 2, 6, 10, mu is equal to 0. Expand both, you will get lambda and mu value. Those values substitute here. That means mu minus lambda square they are asking. This is a numerical type question. Expand here, already symbols you know that, plus, minus, plus. 1 into 2 lambda minus 6, minus 1 into lambda minus 9, plus 1 into 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Expand this, 2 lambda minus 6 minus lambda plus 9 minus 4 is equal to 0. 2 lambda minus lambda, that is lambda. Minus 6 minus 4 minus 10 plus 9 minus 1. Minus 1 send right hand side. Finally, lambda value is 1. Here also expand this symbols plus minus plus. What we get, students? 1 into 2 mu minus 20 minus 1 into mu minus 30, mu minus 30 plus 6 into 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. Now simplify this. What happened? 2 mu minus 20 minus mu plus 30. 2 minus 6 minus 4, that is minus 24, is equal to 0. 2 mu minus mu minus 20 minus 24 minus 44 plus 30 minus 14 is equal to 0. Then what is mu value? Mu value 14. This is another. Now we need to find mu minus lambda square. What is mu? 14 minus lambda means 1. Lambda square, 1 square, 1. Finally, what is the answer? 13. Here you can write the answer 13.00. Numerical value type questions you can write like this. Okay, students? I think all of you understood now.